Welcome everybody to my channel. I fix things. My name's Drew Super and I fix things. So I just figured I'd start videotaping everything that I fix and see if I can help somebody out there that runs into the same problems that I run into. So what we have today is I have a 2011 Armada sitting in the driveway and a Chamberlin garage door opener. It's one of those new MyQ openers, see it right up here. So unfortunately it does not work with older HOMELINK buttons on the rearview mirror. So what we're gonna do is get it to work today. Okay, I misplaced the keys to my Armada, but I'm gonna try and find them. I've got about 100 kids living in my house, but I don't know. Oh, here they are, right there. Yep, right there on the garbage can. And we're going to try to program this with the new remote that came with the HOMELINK. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn the car just to accessories. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're in the car, it's on accessory, so turn the ignition to accessory. We're gonna program this HOMELINK button that came with the repeater that I bought on Amazon with the HOMELINK buttons up here. So what you wanna do is you wanna clear out all of the codes that are currently in there by holding the two outside HOMELINK buttons at the same time. This light here should start to blink rapidly, saying that all codes have been cleared from its memory. Let's see, it takes about 20 seconds. Rapidly, now you can let go of them all. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the repeater remote that came with it and you're gonna press the button that you want to program and you're gonna hold down the button on the remote at the same time until that light blinks fast. There it goes. So now it is programmed. So now what we need to do is go install the repeater, and I'll show you how to do that next. Okay, so we have programmed the transmitter with the car's HOMELINK. Now what we need to do is put in the repeater box, the HOMELINK repeater box, up by the garage door opener and program it so that the garage door opener knows the code that's coming from the repeater when you push the button in your car, and it should open the garage door. Okay, so you come up to your garage door opener. You need to find the learn buttons that are in the back or underneath your light shield. You'll take your repeater box and you will plug it into the ceiling somewhere close, hopefully, to your garage door opener. And then you make sure the antenna is hanging down the best you can. You see it has power because the light is blinking. You know, wires don't usually curl the way you want them unless you like bend them. So just get it in there. And now what you're gonna do is you're going to press the learn button on the back of your garage door opener, which I believe is that one. Does it say learn on it? Learn a little bit, learn. All right, so you hit that button. Now we got 30 seconds to go to the car and program the car. Now what should happen as we get out to the car is we get in and we are going to watch the garage door opener light as I push the button that I want to program. Hold it down and watch the light. It should blink, and it did. Wonderful. All right, now let's see if the garage door actually works. We'll push the HOMELINK button that we've just programmed again. Ah, voila. Garage door comes down fully. Thankfully, no one was in the way. But that's how you program an older HOMELINK garage door opener in a car with a Chamberlin MyQ garage door opener. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, subscribe and like it. I'm just starting this channel. Hope to see you back again. Thanks.